Hi guys, this is a video of me mining in a lifeboat prison. So I hope y'all like it. I'm in a grade U, which is good. And I have the best pickaxe in the game. That you could get without no mine coins. Let me just get this one thing straight. I do not like the pay-to-win people with the and wand and crystal wand, if y'all know what I'm talking about. But I hate it. Hold up, guys. I'm just me and my friend that I will not tell his name has played this with me. He was a grade above me, but now we're in the same grade. I'm talking about this game, not the school grade. But see that dude? I'm gonna try and trade that dude for this diamond pick. Not my good diamond. Trade. Send a request. So choose player. Alright. Hope he accepts. He has declined. Okay. Oh wait, guys. I could go to spawn and spin my daily wheel. Alright, I'm spinning. What is it? Oh, I got another. So I can trade this one. Oh, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna see this. I remember when I was at mine level A. The poor people have to mine wood. Look, like so boring. How much is this? 1 gold. Wait. What does this give you? 1 gold. So I got 1 gold, guys, in my bank account. Oh, I just reset it, everyone. This is mine level A2. Oh, I hate that wand. This wand. That's the #1 most hated wand that I hate. That. Aha! Oh, he's an R. Why are you at this one then? Why are you at... Oh, that's a fellow you person. Alright, guys. I'm gonna trade with this dude. Trade. What's his username? Liam. So... Boom. Boom. Send. Choose. No. This one. Alright. Please. Will you accept? Accept it. Accept it. Come on. Come on. Do you want it or not? Well. Do y'all want to see my plot? I thought I was going to my plot. I really want to trade this dude. Please let me trade with him. Please don't be Prime. And what? Truck 23101. Bro, please. Look what truck. Bro, let me trade. Quit. Stop. Stop. Stop in your tracks. Stop. Stop. Bro, stop in your tracks. Do you want this or not? Bro! Alright, well, I'm gonna mine a whole chunk because you won't. I'm joking, guys. I'm not that type of dude. Boom, boom. Boom. Isaiah, could you turn this down? Okay. Boom, boom. It's just so satisfying when you chip the whole layer away. Boom. Okay. What's y'all's favorite type of server? And if you post a link, if you tell me the link in the comments, I will play. That's a promise. And also, if you play this, tell me, bro, why are you doing that? But tell me, but tell me what level you are on a prison. Bro. Okay, I'm gonna mine all this out. I'm trying to get my whole inventory filled. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Dun, dun. Oh, I almost fell down. Just admire the Minecraft sound like. Like, Minecraft music is so good. If you're like trying to go to sleep or relax. Da, 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 da. Bro, why'd you give up halfway? Like, I will mine up here. If you come down, come up here just to mine, bro. Like, you can mine down there. What's that? It's not that hard to mine down there. Just do not come up. Mine. Okay. I think I'm almost done. I just gotta do this line, which will be easy, and this. Then, this layer will be done. Then I'll go down to another layer. Mine. Da, da. Okay. I swear. Bro. Like, bro, quit. Stop trolling. I don't want to play right now. Bro. Quit, you weirdo. Whoever moves first is gay. Whoever moves first is gay. Oh, bro, get away, bro. Get away, bro. Go. Shoo. 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 Bro is not leaving me alone. Like, what did I do? Like, I was just thinking how I'm gonna rage bait me. Finally. Guys, I only have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 more blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And this layer is gone, so I'm gonna try and reset it so I can mess with this dude. Is it? Is it? Bro. Alright, I know lots of people hate this one. Like just digging straight down like a chunk. Like a dude, like someone else did. Boom, boom. See? People hate this type of dude that does this. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, that was my inventory. Wow. Imagine if you have this much diamonds in real life. That would be crazy. Mining. Alright. Look how far I mined. Hold up. Look how far I mined, guys. Like, that far. But, this just came to my mind. This was at, like, mine level, let me see, my book. See all mines. See all mines. So it was, I believe, like S. Yeah, this one. So this sand, which you won't get, look. Someone used that wand and literally spammed it, and I was able to get like 5 of those. And I gave it to my friend. Somehow he got rid of it. Look, let me show you. Let me show y'all. Plot. Teleport to plot. See, like this stuff. This stuff. I actually kind of like that. It's kind of cool. I remember my friends. See, look, my friend did this. Hit trash items. Wait. Oh, never mind. Someone want an iron hammer from the wheel? Alright, I'm gonna teleport back to spawn. If you don't know how to get a plot, so you go to this trail, you turn, you will see the tools, then this place, then plot. Then you do this, see if you have enough gold. Then, if you do, you could go to here. But I don't know how people got that. I should build a house out of diamonds. Teleport back to spawn. But that's for a future video. I hope y'all like this. And peace, and I hope y'all have a good one.